So in here, we're going to show that the code will run into a login, and then once login, um, the customer will be routed into ordering, and they can choose what topping and what flavor. So let's try to run the code, and then let's try to log in using the credentials that I inputted in the code, and then let's put the password and log in. And then once they are already logged in, they have the options to choose between the four products or between the four items. And then in order for them to select which flavor, they just need to select order selected item. And then from there, they can choose what flavor of the cake they want. It's either moist, crema, chiffon, mocha cake, and then let's choose mocha cake. And then variant if it's birthday cake, anniversary cake, or the Christmas cake edition. For this, let's try to order the birthday cake. And then let's add one more for cupcake. For cupcake, let's try to select the order selected item. And then we can choose what flavor of the cupcake, either ube, vanilla, or moist chocolate. Let's try to order ube. And then let's put a topping with a chocolate syrup. And then next for the croissant, um, let's try to choose the pistachio flavor of croissant, and then Al Capone bits for the toppings, and then the price is 70. Let's try to make it 2 for the quantity. And then lastly for the cookies, we have the flavors oatmeal, red velvet, or triple chocolate. Let's try to choose the red velvet, and then let's choose the white chocolate syrup, and then let's order 12. Oh, okay, so this is the summary of the orders, which is the cake, cupcake, croissant, cookies, and then the quantity for cake, we have one quantity, cupcake is one as well, and the croissant is two, and then 12 pieces for cookies. And then here we can see the details here, the details, what flavor and what is the topping that we selected. So the total is let's proceed to payment. So the total of the amount that we need to pay is 1,805. Let's try to put 2,000 for the cash received. And then payment method is cash, but we have an option either GCash or card. And then customer name, this is optional, but let's try to utilize this. Then click OK. And then once you click OK, this is the name of our bake shop, the address as well, and also the time when did you order, and then the customer name, and then the details of your order. And then here the total is 1,805, and the cash received was 2,000, so the change is 195 pesos with the payment method of cash. And then thank you for ordering from Lujan Bake Shop. That's all.